What is up, people? This is Ronald Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and I'm so damn excited for this video. Actually, I've not done this kind of video in so long time, and that long time is like 6 months ago, and that was actually my first video. That is 10 sneakers under 5,000 rupees, and today we are going to see the same thing. That is 10 sneakers under 5,000 rupees. So I'm so excited for this one, and let's start with the video. And guys, before starting with the video, I just want to thank you all for 23,000 views on that video. I don't know how, but yes, we have crossed 23,000 views on that video, and I have never imagined that I will get 23,000 views. But thanks to you all, and thank you so much for the support you're giving me, and I'm like very happy for that. And guys, if you like that kind of videos and this kind of videos, please do subscribe this channel if you haven't yet, and if you have, thank you so much. So let's start with the countdown. So guys, before starting with the countdown, I just want to show some honorable mentions which you can still buy under 5,000 rupees, and that is Vans Skate High and Converse Chuck 70s. And guys, these are very beautiful pair in hand, especially this one. I just fell in love with this. This is such a crazy pair. I just don't want to go in detail, but yes, you can still buy them under 5,000 rupees. And let's start with the countdown. So guys, starting off with Puma, the first sneaker from Puma is Oslo City Premium Sneakers, and this will cost you around 3,849 rupees. And the hint of orange and that old school vibe flew me away on this sneaker, and that looks really cool. And I'll show the pictures here. You can see the pictures here. And guys, yes, there is no particular order on this list, as this is only going to be 10 sneakers which you can buy under 5,000 rupees. No particular order. So yes, that was Oslo City Premium Sneakers. And second one is Suede Classic, and I guess everyone knows this sneaker already. These are the classic pairs from Puma, and this will cost you 3,299 rupees. And I chose particularly this red pair because I just loved it, and that red suede really looks nice and beautiful. So yes, so the third sneaker from Puma is Mercedes X-Ray Soft Foam. And to all my fellow sneakerheads who love automobiles and sneakers together, this is the best combination for them. And this is a Mercedes collaboration with Puma, and this shoes really looks nice. I've seen that, and yes, this will cost you around 4,799 rupees. So yes, if you want, you can go for this. And this also has that dad shoe vibes. So yes, that's a great pair. So the fourth sneaker and the last sneaker from Puma is Basket Skate. Last sneaker from Puma is Basket Skate. I don't know why this is named like this, but yes, this is actually a skating shoes, but I feel like it will really look nice in a lifestyle way. And the extra amount of sole they have given, not extra amount, the extra layer of sole they have given to this is very beautiful, which looks very beautiful actually, I mean to say. And yes, this will cost you around 3,149 rupees. So yes, this was all 4 shoes from Puma. So guys, now coming to Adidas, and yes guys, this is a list made by me, and this is the sneakers I have loved personally, and this does not mean that even you will like it. So this is what I like, and I have shown you all. If you want, you can buy it. If you don't, it's fine. And if you want to buy any of the sneakers, I have linked them in the description. None of the sneakers or none of the brand have sponsored me. It's just me sharing some of my favorite sneakers under 5,000 rupees. So nothing else. So let's start with Adidas, and first sneaker from Adidas is Adidas Original Team Coat Shoes. Here are the pictures, and yes guys, this shoes really looks that everyday kind of shoes you can wear. As this is all black sneaker, you can wear this with each and every outfit in your wardrobe. So you don't have to think like, oh, will this sneaker match with my outfit or something like that. This will go with everything, and even the leather quality looks nice. So and yes, this will cost you 3,299 rupees. So if you want, you can go for this one. So the second sneaker is Adidas Original EQT Gazelle shoes. Yes, a long name. and the pictures are here. And this shoe has a very hardcore vibes of, I can't explain that vibes. It has that rough and tough vibes, kind of dad shoe vibes, old school vibes. It is a mixture of classic and modern look. I think you will get it, but yes, this is the pictures. If you like, you can get these shoes for 4,499 rupees. So the last pair from Adidas, that is the third pair from Adidas, is Adidas Original Stan Smith Vegan shoes. This is a classic pair from Adidas. Everyone knows this, but a slight difference, that is there was no animal or something like that was harmed while making in these shoes. This is a initiative from Adidas to make that vegan kind of shoes where no animals are harmed, and I think that is great. So yes, this you can buy this for 4,799 rupees. And yes guys, these are all discounted price, so if you like any of the shoes and you can buy it, run fast on the website and grab your sizes so the shoes don't go out of stock or something like that, or the sales don't get over. So yes, this was top 3 shoes which I liked from Adidas. So the last brand in our list, that is Reebok. And Reebok is very underrated brand right now, but I just love this brand. I don't know why, as the recent collaborations are killing the game, like Kung Fu Panda collab, the Tom and Jerry collab, the Hot Ones collab, the Assassin's Creed collab, and Minions collab, and something like that. And Reebok is really doing very good, and I have gained obsession on their Club C silhouette, as their collaborations with some cartoon characters are getting on my head, and I just feel like buying them all, but money problem. So let's start with Reebok, and the first shoes from Reebok is Reebok Classic Club C 85 shoes. As I said, the classics from Reebok, and the pictures are here. Y'all can have a look, and you can buy any of the colorways from this silhouette, that is Club C. Most of them you will get under 5,000 rupees, not the collab ones, but rather than collab you will get it under 5,000 rupees. So this particular pair is for 3,499 rupees. So now coming to second pair from Reebok, that is Reebok Classic Royal Complete 3 Low. And this shoe has a very clean aesthetic vibes. It is a pure lifestyle sneaker according to me. It might be for some other purpose. So this will cost you around 2,799 rupees. And even this has multiple colors, I guess. Black, gold, and this color. So the third and last shoes from Reebok is Reebok Classic Leather shoes, which will cost you 3,499 rupees. And even this shoes is a classic old model of Reebok, and I've chosen this particular colorway because from last couple months I'm very attracted toward the vintage stuff, and I'm getting that great vibes from that. So I'm like leaning towards the vintage colorways. So I just loved this color as it has some old school vibes, and it has that cream off-white color to it. You can even find it in pure white and navy, I guess, navy colorway, navy blue. So yes, this was the list. So guys, this was me showing y'all 10 sneakers under 5,000 rupees. And yes guys, as I said, these are my personal choice, the sneakers I have loved. It's not compulsory that even you will like this. If you like it, good. If you don't like it, still good, no problem. And guys, share this video with your friends, whoever wants to buy shoes or something like that, and who has a small budget of under 5,000 rupees. So that's it from my side for this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.